Everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. It is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Invite lots of reviews and reviews online that are being prices for majority of stay. Which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. Category 6. Of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various payments and payment policies. If you are planning to book your hotel, please follow the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so